Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best makeup mini wallet in 2024 that I've been loving lately. Let's begin with this travel and household small cosmetic bag is a chic and practical choice for anyone on the go. Its portable design, crafted from durable fabric, makes it an ideal companion for daily use or travel. The fancy tweed and secure zipper ensure your makeup stays safe and stylishly stored. Next, let's move to this waterproof toiletry bag that is a traveler's dream, boasting a robust waterproof nylon build and hypoallergenic properties. Its ample space and smart partitions keep cosmetics organized and accessible, making it an essential travel companion. Another bag that I love is this charming vintage floral print makeup bag, a delightful accessory for any lady. Crafted from durable polyester, its compact design and kiss-lock clutch ensure your valuables are secure and stylishly stowed. Perfect for daily use or travel, it's a chic and practical choice. Next up, we have this dazzling makeup bag with its personalized sequin letters and gold trim is not only stylish, but also practical. Its ideal size and high-quality waterproof material make it a versatile choice for daily use or travel, ensuring your essentials are secure and accessible. Last but not least, we have this Uli mini mesh zipper storage pouch, a versatile accessory for both men and women. Crafted from durable nylon, it's ideal for carrying coins, earphones, or makeup. While not waterproof, its lightweight design makes it perfect for everyday use. So that is for today's video, a roundup of the top 5 makeup mini wallet for women that are trending for 2024. Whether you prioritize durability, style, luxury, or functionality, there's something here for everyone. Check the description for links to each product and happy shopping!